Hello everybody and welcome to a new video. Today you're going to learn how to use a TikTok audio as a ringtone, okay? So first of all, you must go to your TikTok and look for that reel that has an audio that really likes you, okay? So I don't know, perhaps this one. I really like this audio. So what you must do is go to the tools of your mobile and the screen recorder. You must find that app. Remember that the screen recorder has some settings. I really recommend you to go to the settings because there is an option that says sound source. By now, because I'm recording with my mobile, I have the microphone as a sound source. But there is another option that says system sounds. I mean, TikTok is going to send some system sounds to your mobile and it's going to record when the screen recorder those sounds specifically, okay? So you must open your screen recorder, go again to your TikTok, begin to record your screen and then make play into your reel, okay? Once you have that video, what you must do is to convert that video into an audio file. So go to your web browser, write in this case convert video to audio. I'm going into the first page. There are several pages that function in the same way, but you must to open the file to select that screen recorder to select that video. Second step is to select the format, in this case MP3, and the third step is to convert. Once you have done that, what you must do is go to your settings, to the sound and vibration option, and may click on ringtone. Here, I'm going to choose a local ringtone, and there I'm going to be able to find in the file manager that screen recorder. As you can see, I have made all this process and I have converted a screen recorder file to audio. So there it says the first option screen recorder, but the extension is MP3. So you have to select this and at the bottom tap on OK and that's it. That's how you can use an audio from TikTok as a ringtone.